Hello guys, today I have the latest launched iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple's newest flagship. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. Firstly, on the left side and the right side of the box, we have the word iPhone embossed beautifully. This one is the 256GB variant. The box is as minimal as ever, elegant, neat and premium. Alright, let's open it up. Inside the box, we get the usual suspects, a braided USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool and surprisingly no documentation this year. And not the Apple stickers. No charger of course, just Apple being Apple. Now coming to the design. This year Apple made a few noticeable changes. We get a brand new aluminum unibody frame and ceramic shield 2 protection on the front of the phone. And at the back, the new raised camera plateau. The camera system has seen a major upgrade too. There's a new 4x optical telephoto lens which can zoom up to 40x. The iPhone 17 Pro Max looks stunning and feels premium. Stay tuned, I'll be testing its camera, performance and battery life next. And that was the unboxing of the all new 17 Pro Max. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content.